And that was our first clock. I'm sorry everyone didn't get to hear the first part of the chimes, but I kind of recorded too soon because I didn't know when it was going to actually chime. But here's the second one right here, about to do it. Any second now. Almost about to. Alright. Here's the third one. And, well, it's a little slow, but I'll speed it up. Hang on. And that's all of them. Yes, that is our Christmas tree, and if you can't see this because I was trying to, well, best to get to show you guys if I can. Oh, there it is. Our star and angel. I'm showing it on the glass of our clock. Pretty cool, huh? Unless you want to see it from real, but I don't know. I hope you enjoy our 3 clocks. I sure would like more than just 3, though. 2 are electric, and this one right here I just recorded is mechanical. Well, thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you on the next video.